The first thing I ever made in my life was a cup of tea. Beautiful color, fantastic spices, and just perfect for all the year round. Especially the monsoons, some Sanna Pakora and chai. Wow! Unbelievable. What is Sanna Pakora? Simply they are nice Sindhi style typical bhajiyas which are made with besan, onions and all that, which you will see. So once we actually fry them, after that we cool them down, break it into smaller pieces and literally double fry them, and simple ketchup or chutney ke saath. Okay, this is one of those snacks which guys you have to make because it's gluten free and vegan. Let's start cooking. So for this I have here some besan. So I'm going to be taking about 250 grams of besan here almost. Okay. Into this I'm going to be adding 1.5 teaspoon of soda bicarbonate or baking soda. In this I have now 2 finely chopped onions. I mean 2 large ones or 3 medium size, okay? Then I love to have some green chilies. So I've got 2 to 3 small green chilies finely chopped here. Into which I'm going to be adding a nice big pinch, like about a tablespoon of chopped coriander. And then 1 teaspoon of anardana, okay, dried pomegranate seeds in here. We're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder in this. Namak swad anusar, okay, so I would say 1.5 teaspoons or so in here. And then I also like to put here is coriander seeds, okay. So these have been like lightly toasted, and then simply we just have to crush these, okay. So some lovely crushed coriander seeds going on in here. Beautiful, nice. So ये है हमारा मिक्सचर रेडी हो गया. अभी इससे पहले हम थोड़ा सा तेल चढ़ा लेते हैं. Now when it comes to like frying, okay, I'm quite particular of the kind of oil I used to use. In fact, generally, you know, cooking में the oil or the fat you use is very important. It has to go aesthetically, यानी कि रेसिपी को सूट भी करना चाहिए, and also it has to be clean and definitely much nicer than a lot of the oils which are available here. For that I definitely recommend Imami Healthy and Tasty soya bean oil, okay, which I love to use for frying, okay. Now the one thing about this is that definitely it's a very high grade soya bean which is used for this. Then there is no too much chup with this. It's a beautiful light neutral flavor. It does not absorb too much oil, and it is just amazing for frying and shallow frying. So we're going to get the oil going. Now remember, when you're frying, we are always frying on a kind of a medium high heat, okay. So the temperature of the oil is important along with the quality of oil. Next, let's add a little bit of water to this. So I would say about a cup. I would say about a cup and less. So beautiful. So literally just going to give this a little mix, getting this batter together. Now see, we've almost got it right. So we've got this nice thing going here, okay. Just going to put it together. See, you've got a really nice, lovely batter which is coming through. And literally we're going to add like big spoons and drop it in here. We're going to fry them till like almost half done. We're going to let it drain here. Uske baad cool it down. Then break it into smaller pieces, and then we fry it in really hot oil. That's what they call it, Sanna Pakora. So oil is nice and hot. And now next we're going to be starting to drop this slowly. So now we're going to be dropping these. As you can see, they are beautifully fluffing up, but definitely they are going to be cut again because सन्ना पकोड़ा इतने बड़े चालू होते हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद हम उससे छोटे छोटे काटेंगे. Beautiful. Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that, beautiful, boss. Oh yes, why not, guys? The next recipe along with Sanna Pakora is Vicky की Masala Chai. चलो चाय पकोड़े हो जाए, bro. Okay, it's time to chai time. Hope you enjoy my chai ka recipe because I'll tell you, this chai is very nostalgic because the first thing I ever made in my life was a cup of tea, masala chai. Boss, chai बने तो स्टाइल में बने, okay? So अदरक और मसाले की चाय का combo is my cup of tea. So we take about 3 to 4 cloves in here, 2 or 3 pieces of cinnamon sticks, lovely, and then I have a little bit of lemongrass, okay? Just थोड़ा सा डाल देते हैं अपन, okay? Lovely. और फिर some अदरक. Beautiful. तो इसे हम कहते हैं हमारी कड़क मसाला चाय, है ना? अभी हम इसको थोड़ा सा कूट देते हैं. Now while this is shooting, पहले तो पानी तो चढ़ा दे भैया, हैं? So I've got about 8 कप छोटे चाय बनेंगे अभी हम, ओके? आई विल ट्राई करते हैं. तो मुझे है अबाउट यहाँ पे अबाउट 1 लीटर पानी, राइट? अबाउट 1 लीटर पानी है ये, ठीक है, हो जाएगा. So पहले हम पानी चढ़ा देते हैं एज यूजुअल और फिर हम थोड़ा सा मसाला तैयार कर देते हैं, ओके? तो बिल्कुल ये जो स्पाइसेस है, जिंजर है, सिनेमन है, इज गोइंग टू टेक इट टू अनदर नेक्स्ट लेवल, ओके? ऑल्सो समटाइम्स मैं क्या करता हूँ व्हेन आई फील रियली ग्रूवी इज आई लाइक टू ऐड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ सैफरन इनटू इट, ओके? वो भी ऑप्शन मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ, डाल देते हैं. अभी मैं अपने फेवरेट क्रू, मेरी टीम को पिला रहा हूँ, तो यू नो उनसे तो काम तो करवाना ही है, उसके लिए खाना और पिलाना भी पड़ता है, लेकिन बहुत प्यार मोहब्बत है. आई लव माई टीम. रिमेंबर टीम, आई विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, टुगेदर एवरीवन अचीव्स मोर, TEAM, ओके? तो चाय के साथ मैं आपको थोड़े मैनेजमेंट के फंडे भी दे रहा हूँ आज. ग्रेट. तो पानी हम अभी थोड़ा सा बॉईल करके लिए रख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ी सी ज़ाफ़रान. वाह, व्हाई नॉट? तो अभी हमने ये मसाला तैयार कर दिया है. अभी हम इसमें थोड़ा सा मसाला भी डाल देते हैं इसमें, फर्स्ट क्लास, ओके? और फिर हम डालेंगे इसमें 4 टेबलस्पून या 5 टेबलस्पून चाय के, ठीक है? कड़क तो चाय हम पियेंगे. आई डोंट लाइक मिल्की टीज. आई लाइक माई टी a little strong, a little more robust, okay? Beautiful. So we're going to bring this to a nice simmer, okay? हल्के से हम इसको उबालेंगे, उसके बाद हम थोड़ी सी दूध डालेंगे. But now first thing is very important that the kind of tea you use, okay? Now when I like to use जो हम दूध वाली चाय बनाते हैं, when we are brewing the tea, I definitely prefer something which is more robust, like an Assam tea or like a Darjeeling tea. Basically a black tea leaves, okay? Now, when I'm looking for something which I'm not going to drink with milk, I like to have a flavored tea like green tea, chamomile. So it all depends upon what kind of style of tea which you are drinking, and basically depending on that, you will pick your choice of tea leaf. वाओ, ये हुई ना बात।
ऊपर तक आ रहा है।
अरे वाह, लेकिन बेटे ज्यादा ऊपर मत चले जाना तुम, चाय पीनी है पहले आपको। तो अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें दूधवा। ब्यूटीफुल, वाह। ये हम इसे कहते हैं कलर, ओके। इसे कहते हैं हम चाय का कलर हैं। अभी हम इसको हल्का सा धीमी आंच पे अभी उबालेंगे इसको, और अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे शक्कर। लवली। अभी हम इसको लिटरली वी गोना जस्ट सिमर इट फॉर about 3 to 4 minutes, okay, until the sugar dissolves. The tea is beautifully brewed. It's been brewing for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I think, you know what, too much brewing of the tea is not good at all. So this is just perfect. You know, a lot of the times people have stopwatches when they are cooking, and a lot of people, और आजकल ये जो हमारी मसाला चाय has become so popular, दुनिया में इसे चाय लाटे कहते हैं, चाय लाटे, okay. So this is much better than any chai latte. It's got all the beautiful flavors. I'm going to be just letting it sit for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to be straining it out. तो ये है हमारी कड़क मसाला चाय, या beautiful color, fantastic spices, and just perfect for all the year round, especially the monsoons. Some Sanna Pakora and chai, wow. Wow, unbelievable. So now for the final fry, making them nice and crispy, beautiful. So we have this really nice, once they start floating to the top, you can see the insides are getting perfectly cooked, and it's time to drain these out. Beautiful. Exactly how mom used to make them. Oh yes! Plating के लिए 2 हाथ तो लगेंगे ही अपने को. Look at that lovely, crunchy. Mom, I love you, Mom. Delicious, buddy. Vicky's designer masala chai, kadak. Sanna Pakora from the Sindhi kitchen, ready. Do like, do share, do subscribe.